Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about how to make face wash at home. So I have found few ingredients and I'm going to tell you how to make your face wash at home. Right now everyone are at lockdown and you need some products to maintain your skin. So what I just thought of making a face wash with the products which are available at home, and this face wash can be used for all skin type like dry, combination, oily, everyone, even acne skin also can use it, and sensitive skin peoples also can use it. So let me show you the ingredients, what are we going to use to make this face wash. So keep watching the video. If you really like the video, please don't forget to give us a like and do subscribe to our channel. Only then you get the further updates on the video. So let me show you the ingredients what we have taken. I have taken one leaf of aloe vera and I have cut it into pieces. The next ingredient which I have taken is 100 grams of melt and pour glycerin. So I have also taken green food color, which is not necessary, but if you need it to look on green color, you can add this. And then I have also taken tea tree essential oil, which is the main ingredient. I have taken a empty can and also 100 ml of water. Now what I am going to do is I am going to cut the gel part of the aloe vera. You can also cut it on before itself, but what I used to do is I used to cut it onto pieces and wash it well with good amount of water, and then I used to put it on my mixie, because aloe vera may causes allergy for many of you people. So make sure that you clean it very well before you're using it on your face wash. You can also mix it with your leaf, but I'm just taking only the gel part. Now I'm going to add 30 ml of water on it to make it on a fine paste consistency. Make sure it is 30 ml of water. Once you grain it, it looks like this. If you need the gel to be on your juice, you can leave it, or else you can filter it. I'm going to add 1 drop of food color on it, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 drop of tea tree essential oil on it. If you're not having tea tree, you can use any other essential oil which is available with you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all the ingredients well together. Make sure that you mix all the ingredients well, because your essential oil should be blended together. And if you want to filter your juice, you can filter it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it well and keep it away. Now I'm taking my bowl to melt the glycerin, and this method is called as double boiling method. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 100 grams of glycerin onto it and melt it. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to get melted, and see our glycerin base is melted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my filter to filter the aloe vera juice. Once your juice is filtered, leave it to get set with your glycerin, and then you can add 200 ml of water on it. Mix all your ingredients well and leave it to get boiled for a minute. Once all your ingredient is mixed well, you can use your measuring jar to measure the amount of liquid on it. So we have got 500 ml of face wash. So now I'm going to leave it get dry for some times, because it may be little hotter. So I'm just leaving it to get dry. Now I have taken my cleaned face wash can of 250 ml and I'm going to pour it on the face wash container. So you can use this face wash for around 1.5 weeks on room temperature. And also let me show you how this face wash looks And how much firm does this face wash gives you? It blends very well on your skin and it gives a very good firminess, and it also helps to arrest your oiliness too. And this also has the benefit of aloe vera, which helps you on moisturizing your skin and which highly used to control your pimples and also shrinks your open pores. So your tea tree aloe vera face wash is ready to use, and this face wash is used for all skin type. Even sensitive skin can also use it. This also can be used as a body wash, which highly used to reduce your body acne and dark spots. This face wash is also used to control your sweatiness on your body and also the odor. This face wash can be used even if you're having pimples on your face. Make sure that you store this face wash on room temperature. If you feel this video is useful, make sure that you give us a like. Thank you.